Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to view top 200 country on Shazam. First, open the Shazam. Here, you can view a search icon. Tap on it. There are four options: other top 200 global chart, top 200 country, top genre, top 200 radio spins. If you want to view top 200 country, then tap on second option. Here, there are three options: other top 200 or discovery or cities that you want. Here you can choose the country in top, then choose the country. So that's about it. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe our channel, and thank you.